Let's make your laptop more simpler, cleaner and minimal and more productive. In this video, I'm going to be sharing you my perspective of a minimalist laptop setup coming up. Hi, my name's Aditya and you're watching Conopus. What's a minimalist laptop without minimalist wallpapers? I don't have much, but I can surely link some of my favorite wallpapers in the description down below. Wallpapers are the most appealing part when it comes to the setup, and I'm gonna linking down these 3 wallpapers in the description down below, so make sure you check out them if you wanna download these. The second thing you gotta do in order to make your laptop clean is to delete those desktop shortcuts. I know it's weird for many guys, but hey, if you wanna make your laptop unique, you gotta do this. Also, this will make your laptop much more aesthetic than before. You can always keep things handy in the start bar and the taskbar. Speaking of the taskbar and the start menu, you also have to declutter your start menu. You know, the preloaded layout is very cluttered and filled with unnecessary stuff and paid promotional apps like Netflix. So get rid of it and place those apps which you will gonna use the most and which will be more productive in your creative stuff and in your work stuff. Keep your productivity apps and your work apps in the bigger size, and the entertainment stuff should be in the smaller size. Now it's time to declutter your taskbar. The things which you use the most, the things we use more oftenly, more frequently, like the most used apps should go in the taskbar and the rest of the stuff should go in the start menu. This is gonna be the most interesting and the most unique part about your laptop setup, which is minimalist. How many of you guys are customizing your Chrome according to you, like setting up custom Chrome wallpapers and shortcuts like this? If you use Chrome more often, then shortcuts are your saviors. They save you a lot of time and lot of effort, and those are just much easy to use. You can easily edit them, you can easily edit the link, which is very awesome thing to use, and I don't see many people, many guys, many nerds using this stuff. Now it is very easy to create a shortcut. I'm just going to show you a quick example. For example, here I am opening the login page of Twitter. I'm just dragged and drop the link, and in the edit section I have renamed it to nothing. So I'm just getting an icon of Twitter. So if I have to open any shortcut, I just have to drag and drop, or I can just click over it. It's as simple as that. Now the last thing I want to share with you guys is to transfer your data which you don't use or which you use very rarely to your external hard drive and keep your laptop as light as possible and as clean as possible. So that was it. Okay, so that was my perspective of a minimalist laptop setup. Why don't you share your personal laptop setup, your personal minimalist laptop setup on social media and tag me. Follow me on Instagram and you can send me your setup there, and I'm gonna feature you in the upcoming setup video. Okay, that was it for the today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're a tech enthusiast, and I'll see you guys in the next video.